Hey there, faithful viewers. Barbecue ribs are just my favorite food of all time. They're fatty, they're meaty, they're a little sweet and smoky, depending on what's in the rub. They have a bit of a kick to them, and if you choose to use barbecue sauce, they have a bit of that vinegar tang. Just the perfect food, in my opinion. So today, let's make some, shall we? First things first, you're going to need a dry rub. Brown sugar, paprika, cayenne, garlic, onion, salt, mustard. Futilely try to whisk before just giving up and mixing with your hands. Get your ribs out, flip them so the concave side is up, from which you've already removed the membrane. Work in half your dry rub, flip, place the remaining half, and work in making sure that every inch is covered. Place into your refrigerator for at least 8 hours before starting your coals in a chimney. Letting them burn until they just start turning white. Dumping onto one side of your grill so you have an indirect side and a direct side. Place some fresh coals and some wood chips to create smoke. Lay down your ribs, cover, which will kill that flame, and let cook for 3 to 4 hours or longer if you like. This creates a nice bark on your ribs. In the last half hour, if you're going to baste with barbecue sauce, now's the time to do it. That'll help the barbecue sauce to caramelize and get rid of a little bit of the sweetness and emphasize a lot of the other flavors. What's left to do is to slice, eat, and enjoy. And if you enjoyed this content, please like the video, comment down below, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and keep an eye out. We make new videos every week. And if you'd like to support me, you can always buy me a coffee. Thank you.